Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Today you're gonna learn Darija. I think you should be very excited because I will start putting a few videos for you so you can learn for free. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start with flashcard. Okay, how are you gonna get to this page? Okay, there is if you're using a computer, you can actually go to mydarija.com and you're gonna go to free flashcard. Okay, mydarija.com free flashcard. If you are using an app, if you are in Google Play Store and using an app, you're gonna find the same menu in the top. You go to free flashcard, free flashcard. Okay, so now I I put a part over here, like part number 1, part number 2, part number 3, 4, on and on and on. Okay, so why? So I will try to make a video for each part. So part number 1, I will start from left to right. So I will start from this first and the second, third, and fourth. Okay, now we're gonna start learning. All right, so day. How are you gonna say day in Darija? You're gonna say nahar, nahar, nahar. Okay, so I will try to test you out and say it the way how we say it in Morocco. We say nahar, nahar. Okay, nahar. All right, now we're gonna go to the second one. Second one is night. Okay, we say lil, lil, lil. Okay, now we're gonna try to say it the way it's supposed to be. Lil, lil. Excuse me. Anyway, now we learned the first flashcard, day, nahar, night, lil. Now we're gonna go to the second one. The second one, it's difficult and easy. Okay, difficult, you're gonna say saib, saib, saib. Okay, now we're gonna say it faster and the way it's supposed to be, the way how they say it in Morocco. Saib, saib. Let me try to give you an example. So, driving at night is difficult. Driving at night is difficult. سوقان في الليل صعب. سوقان في الليل صعب. So, driving is سوقان في الليل at night. صعب is difficult. Difficult. Now we're gonna go to the second one. Easy. Okay. Easy you will say سهل, سهل, سهل. Alright, now it's time to say it a little bit faster. So I hope you guys got it. Okay, so سهل, سهل. Okay, now we're gonna go to the third flashcard. There is big and small. Okay, big, you're gonna say كبير, كبير, كبير. Okay, now it's time to test yourself. كبير, كبير, كبير. Okay, now we gotta go to next one. You know what? Let me try to give you an example for big. That will be very useful. Okay, so this elephant is big. This elephant is big. هاد الفيل كبير. هاد الفيل كبير. كبير. The point from giving you an example just to hear it in a sentence. So if you hear somebody say كبير in a sentence, you know what he's saying. Okay, now we're gonna go to the next one, is small. So small, you're gonna say صغير. 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 Okay. I think I should give you an example. How about that? Alright. I will say this computer is small. This computer is small. Well, in Morocco, we will say هاد البيسي صغير. هاد PC صغير. So this, it's head, PC is computer, and صغير, it's small. صغير, small. Okay, now we are in the last one. Okay, there's above and below. Above, you're gonna say فوق. 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 Okay, now let's try to say it faster a little bit. فوق. فوق. Okay, you know what? Let me try to get you an example. Let me think about something. Okay, my key is above the table. My key is above the table. You're gonna say سوارتي فوق طابلة. سوارتي فوق طابلة. Okay, you should actually focus on فوق. You don't focus about other words. Focus on the one we are learning right now, if you can hear it. Okay, my key is above the table. My key سوارتي. My key سوارتي فوق, above, table, طابلة. The table, طابلة. طابلة. Okay, above is فوق. فوق. Now we're gonna go to the last one, below. Okay, so below is تحت. 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 Okay, time to test you out and see if you can really hear it. تحت. تحت. Okay, let me give you the same example. Instead of my key is above the table, we're gonna say my key is under the table or below the table. So my key is below the table. سوارتي is my key. تحت, below, table, طابلة. سوارتي تحت طابلة. سوارتي تحت طابلة. سوارتي تحت طابلة. Let me repeat it fast. سوارتي تحت طابلة. This is how we say it. Okay, this is part number 1. Okay, we're done with part number 1. And if you have any questions, suggestion, feedback, or anything that's gonna be very valuable, so you can learn more, please feel free to contact me in Facebook, or you can go to my website right here. Go to the bottom page. There is a contact us form you can fill. You can put your name, your email, subject, why you want to contact me, and you can pick the reason why you want to contact me, like helping improve on our website or other something else, or wherever you think you're gonna help you out learning Darija. So if you think this video is very useful and very helpful to you, please subscribe, and so I can put more videos for you, because when you actually seeing people liking those videos, we're gonna put more for you. As I said, if you have any question, please feel free to contact me, and now enjoy the rest of your day.